Alright guys, we're going to start with the color Timid. I love this color to start off with. We're just going to use a big fluffy blending brush just to put this all over our eyes as the base. Alright, now we're going to go with the color ASTUTE. This is like a really neutral skin tone shade I like to use as my transition color, and I'm just using a fluffy blending brush just to put this on the outer corner and in my crease. All right, now I'm just going to take a little bit of setting powder with my beauty sponge and just press this under my eyes because I did my face first today and I don't want any fallout. And then we're just going to go in with the color Gingerly, which is like this really pretty like neutral orange. And we are just going to use this as our second transition color. The more colors, the more your eyeshadow is going to blend. I swear, like you can use 5 colors and get like a perfect, flawless blending eyeshadow. It is so worth it. Now I'm just going to take a clean blending brush, and this is just going to help buff out all the harsh lines, just make sure everything's nice and blended. And yeah, so it prepares our eyeshadow for the darker colors. And now we're going to go in with the color Fervent, and I'm using a shorter bristled blending brush for this color because I want this to stay low. So the shorter the bristles, the lower the color is going to stay, especially when you're just putting it on close to your lash line. And then I just kind of use patting motions, and then I go in with circular motions just to blend it out. But once I get most of the color on my eyelid, then I go in with the circular motions and blend it out. And I'm going to put this like all over my eyelid because I want my eyes to look like smoky, like a cranberry smoky orangey, I don't know, like I just want it to look smoky today. So I'm going to put this color all over my eyelids and then go in with a shimmer over top, just kind of create that like cranberry orange color that I'm wanting. Now I'm just going to take that fluffy blending brush and I am going to smooth all the lines out, all the harshness. We don't want no harshness at all, no lines. We just want it to be well blended. Now we're gonna go in with the color Manipulative. I love this color. It's a really shimmer, orangey, like pumpkin spice color is what it reminds me of. So we're gonna go with that shade, and I'm gonna use my deluxe eyeshadow brush just to press this all over, right over top of that Fervent color. Now I'm going to go in with FANATICAL, which is a lighter orange, and I'm just going to put this right over top using that same brush. And then we're just going to go back in with that brush that we put Fervent on and just kind of blend all these colors together and mesh them together and make sure everything's nice and smooth and even. Now I'm just going to dust that setting powder away just with a clean powder brush. Whatever works for you works best. And then we're going to go in with a small detail brush and we're going to smoke out the lower lash line. And I'm just using the same colors I used on top, minus the shimmers. I want those shimmers to pop a little bit more, so I'm just going to spritz my brush with some setting spray and go in with those orange colors again, just to make them a little bit more like bam in your face. Now I'm going to go in with the color Optimistic, which I love this color for a highlight. I'm just going to use like a very skinny brush and we're going to highlight our brow bone with this today. It's a very pretty like white highlight. And now we're gonna go in with that amazing Epic 4D mascara. This is the Fiber One Step Mascara. It's amazing, guys. Do not sleep on this. This mascara is awesome. I love the original Epic too. I love both of them. I use both of them still. So, but this, if you want very like volume, length, like you like, if you like fake lashes, this is the mascara for you. If you like the look of fake lashes, because you're going to get that desired look with this mascara. Alright guys, this is the last step. I just did an eye look today. I just wanted to show you guys this awesome eye look because I love it and I haven't done anything fun in a while. So I thought, why not? And thanks so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. And if you did, don't forget to subscribe, like, share. All of it helps me. And yeah, see you guys in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Love you all.